As quickly as it rose, it retreated. It's what happened with the exceptional flooding, locally known as Acqua Alta, that hit Venice in the night of November the 12th, 2019. The city is now back to its usual pace, with the shops, cafes and a market, and people who come out to take a stroll, such as Lorenza and Stefania, Venetian hoteliers.
Venezia, questi giorni, momento difficile, duro, ma l'abbiamo superato con tanta buona volontà, con tanta fatica, con l'aiuto di tante persone, ma ce l'abbiamo fatta e ci siamo rimessi in piedi. Le nostre attività sono efficienti, sono aperte e aspettiamo voi turisti.
The Hotel Association has more than 400 hotels, and it's been a really hard time for this high tide, exceptional high tide, but we're not on our knees. We are, rebuilding up, renovating the hotels, and hotels are open and fully operational. And we thank all the customers and all the people that have supported us in this difficult time.
Il momento drammatico l'abbiamo superato, ora però fioccano le cancellazioni, abbiamo questo enorme problema. Venezia si ritrova vuota in questo momento che ha bisogno di essere supportata. Ecco quindi che Ava si mette in gioco nuovamente per i suoi associati ma per tutta la città, cercando di sostenere il turismo a Venezia con iniziative sui social, sulla stampa, sulle televisioni.
Even though the most difficult time in the emergency is over, now we have to face a really sad reality, which is cancellations and people not coming to Venice. So Venice is really empty in those days, and even though it's a safe and accessible city. So we really would like to say that the Hotel Association is with, of course, the hoteliers, but most of it is with all the city. We need you people to come to Venice to support us, and we are doing a lot of different promotion through social media, through media reports, through newspaper, doing interviews, and a lot of initiative, also initiative for charity that will go to the municipality of Venice for the city itself.
Vi invitiamo nuovamente, Venezia è sicura, i musei sono aperti, i ristoranti sono aperti, gli alberghi sono aperti, quindi noi vi aspettiamo, supportateci, venite a visitarci e vedrete che troverete di nuovo la magia che ricordavate, perché Venezia è magia, Venezia è qualcosa di unica, ineguagliabile e insostituibile, quindi noi vi aspettiamo, mancate solo voi.
So we all wait for you. Hotels are open, museums are open, shops and restaurants are also all open. Venice is safe and accessible. So we really miss you, guests. So please come from all over the world to help us and to find back the magic that Venice is. Venice is a magical city, so please do come, especially for the next week, especially for the Christmas and New Year's festivities. We are all here waiting for you.
People who gave up the idea of coming to the lagoon after seeing reports from St. Mark's Square need to hear our voice. The best way to help the city of Venice is to visit it.